Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make homemade plantain chips. I've got some green plantains here that I have peeled and sliced thinly, and I'm just going to show you how I make them. They are gluten free, they're quite healthy, so you don't have to worry about too many nasties in them. So just green plantain, grapeseed oil, and some sea salt I'm going to be adding to it. If you want to make it spicy, you can add some black peppers over it when you're finished, but I'm just doing the sea salt and just some sea salt, that's all. So yeah guys, you can make your own snacks at home. You don't have to always go out and buy them. You can make your own snacks. Once you have the ingredients, just make your own snacks. They're usually more healthier as well, because you know exactly what you've put in them. So I'm just going to make these. When you're making these as well, make sure your oil is not very hot, because if it is, then they're going to be getting burnt very quickly, and you don't want that to happen, because there's nothing delicious about burnt chips. So medium heat is good. So let the oil preheat first for about 2 minutes, and then when you're frying them, you'll use medium heat. Use enough oil as well so it covers the chips. And then to help to drain them, you can, as soon as they're fried and you're taking them out, you put them on top of paper towel for them to drain. So I'm just placing my paper towels there for when I'm taking them off, it'll be ready. Yeah, so you just carry on frying them. When they're golden brown, then you can just remove them, sprinkle your salt on top of them, or you can add black pepper as well, or mix that together. If you have anything you want to add to them, you can then add to them, and then you just enjoy them. So if you try it guys, please let me know how it came out for you, and keep being healthy, keep making healthy food choices. Take care guys, bye for now.